So Anthony Noto, the CEO of SoFi, you guys should know who that is by now, right? He ended up buying more shares of SoFi. I think it was on Friday or Thursday. Either way, that's a good sign considering SoFi stock, you guys know, is down so much. We hit almost 20 bucks a share just about 2 weeks ago, and now we're holding above 1550, 1580 by a thread. And listen, man, if Anthony Noto didn't buy more shares on this drop, I would be concerned, right? I would be scratching my head like, wait a second, why isn't Noto buying more? Why aren't the other insiders buying more? So we have to cover how many shares he bought, all the recent insider buys, and we're going to break down the charts, go over my thoughts, the whole 9 yards here, guys, as again, SoFi is hanging on by a thread here. And quite frankly, I think we might be going lower. So let's dive into it. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Consider joining the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my private Discord. All of that's linked down below, pinned in the comments as well, or go to stasurfest.com/Patreon. And now let's dive into it. So everybody knows that SoFi has not been doing well after earnings, even though they reported record numbers. So it makes sense to me, the CEO's buying, especially as, again, they reported record earnings, record numbers, and the stock's going down, and it's trading down over 50% from all-time highs. I'm pretty sure we're trading at the same level we were at years ago. So if Noto wasn't buying, like I said, I would be concerned. So let's dive right into that. We might as well, before we talk about the charts, go over where I think SoFi is going. Let me break down with you guys all the recent insider buys here, what Noto ended up doing. I think the trade was on the 8th, which was on, Friday, and they filed it that same day right after the bell. So let me pull this up right here very quickly, guys. I'll bring my big old head down here to the right so you guys can focus on what matters here. So we can see Anthony Noto bought, let's see, 15,878 shares. You guys see at the top right here at $15.73. So what is the math on that? I think it was, I think I was reading it was a $250,000 buy. So roughly $250,000 is the math on that, right? Let me do some, quick little math here, guys. Give me a second. I'm pretty sure. Let's do that quickly. 15,878 times 1573. So Anthony Noto bought, $249,000 of SoFi stock. And honestly, that's not that big of a buy considering he owns almost 12 million shares. So he really just nibbled a little bit more. And that's after the multiple buys he had just a couple weeks ago where he bought at $17.88. It looks like here he bought on the 2nd of March and the 17th of March. On the 2nd was his biggest buy, 56,000 shares he added there. It looks like at $17.88. So that dollar-wise was, let's see, 56,000 times 1788. So at that point, he added on the 3rd of March about $1 million worth. Then he bought 28,900 shares at, let's see here, times 1732. So Anthony Noto has bought roughly $1 million worth in one lot, $500K in another lot, and he just bought another $250,000 worth. So he's bought about $1.75 million of SoFi stock here over the last, 2.5 months, which if you're looking at his entire position, it's actually not that much. We can see he owns now 11,900,000 shares roughly. So let's do the math on how much stock he owns at current prices. So let's say it's at 1580, 11.9 million shares times 1580. Noto owns, oh my God, $188 million of SoFi. So if you think about it that way, he owns $188 million. He bought only 1.75. So he's not adding a ton more stock here. I mean, to the naked eye, yeah, it looks like, oh, he bought tens of thousands of shares, almost $2 million worth. But when you look at his overall position, it's like, oh, $188 million is how many or how much he owns of it right now. We don't know at what cost that is. I would love to know the average cost on those shares. But yeah, that's a ton of money he owns in the stock, as he should. He's the CEO. But I mean, I would argue that I would want to see bigger buys from the CEO here. And I just realized they have the dollar value here. I'm doing the math on my calculator like an idiot. It's right here, right in front of my face. But yeah, Noto bought more, and we have the EVP. Looks like Kelly Koff. She sold. Looks like she sold about 3% of her position on the 23rd of April, on the 20th of March as well. Who cares about her though? The main person here is Noto, and he's buying more, and that's what you want to see out of your CEO. And I suspect, guys, call me crazy, but I think he's going to buy even more once this Head and Shoulders plays out. Because look, in my opinion, call me what you want in the comments, guys, but I think SoFi is going lower in the short term. It's the writing's on the wall. We have the left shoulder right here. You guys see the left shoulder right here. Boom. You got the head right here. You got the right shoulder right here. We have a death cross. We're holding right at 1550 to 1580 by a thread, which, guys, look, we tried filling the gap back up after earnings, right? We went from 1850 down to about 1550. We tried running back up, filling that gap. We got the 1680. We got hit at $17, and now we're right back down to where we were initially when earnings came out, when the stock tanked, right? So that's not a great sign in the short term. And again, we have a death cross. We're under these moving averages, and the Head and Shoulders is there. I mean, how could you say we're not going lower based on this chart? I mean, it's not 100% guaranteed. We could easily rip for all we know, but I think the writing's on the wall. Sentiment right now is very bearish on SoFi. Yeah, the fundamentals are strong. The company reported great numbers, but the market doesn't care. It doesn't care about SoFi right now. That's the reality. And, it's, in my eyes, I think we're going to $15. Dare I say, under 1480. I think there's a good chance we take out this low from the end of March. I think there's a great chance we do that, right? And I think if we do that, like I've said before, I think we're going $12, $13, and the writing's pretty much on the wall. And I'm about to open cash secured puts or sell cash secured puts this upcoming week at my target levels where I want to buy more. And that's right at $12, $13. And we covered that in my previous video. Make sure you guys go check out the most recent SoFi video. We broke down cash secured puts more in that video. So there you have it, man. Noto bought another $250,000 worth, but is that going to move the needle? I don't think it's enough. If he came out and he bought $20 million worth or a massive stake, that would be like, oh, okay. That would not shock investors, but that would mean, okay, we're near the bottom. That would give investors a lot more confidence than a $250,000 buy when you already own $200 million of the stock. So yeah, I mean, and of course, I'm sure he can't, buy based on, the 13 or what's that trading rule? It's like 10b5-1. I'm sure there's a lot of scheduled or pre-scheduled buys here with Noto. I'm sure he can't just go out and buy $50 million worth of it on the open market in one go. I'm sure there's a lot of laws and rules behind it, but man, I like the fact that he's buying, but I want to see bigger buys. But the fact that he's buying overall, that is a good sign. But we need bigger buys to move the needle, guys, and gain investor confidence back in this name. Not that, it's completely shot, right? Long term, I think we're good, but in the short term, man, investors are feeling it. They're slowly, some people in retail must be throwing in the towel now. And again, if Noto came out with a massive buy, that would quell the nerves a little bit, but we got a buy, but is it big enough? I don't know. We'll see come Monday, Tuesday. And again, I think he'll buy more if we go lower. And maybe he's saving those bigger buys for 13, 14 a share. What do you guys think? I know I am. I'm waiting. But let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and join the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my private Discord. All of that's linked down below, pinned in the comments as well. Or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. I'll see you guys in there. And with that being said, have a great rest of your day. And happy Mother's Day. I appreciate all the mothers out there. Without you, man, this world would not be the same. Shout out to you for all of you out there watching, and I'll see you later.